Alright, we got a Epic Z Maytag front loader washer. So our issue is this whole thing just really shakes and makes some really loud noise. So other people are saying it's the front bearing and or rear bearing, and when you shake it, it moves a lot. I wouldn't say it doesn't move a lot. It feels like it kind of does. And I open it up. There's still a lot of water here and it's heavy. But there's a giant concrete piece here that broke. See, it's sitting on my water valve there. And these struts, who knows if they're good or bad, but there are two struts on both sides. And so, if you can see the top, this side is still mounted. I'm shaking it now. This side up here, all the way up there, broke. The bracket that holds it is still up here, but the cement over the years have crumbled and fell apart. And so I imagine if I'm able to get another piece of this cement, which is very heavy, the shipping might be pretty expensive there. I would have to probably take off this front piece to get to those bolts up there to unbolt it. But up there are some bolts. Oh wait, bolts. And don't know if this rear bearing is good or bad, or the struts, so we'll have to price it out. If it costs too much, then I guess we'll just have to get a new washer. It's Maytag model Mary, Henry, Wendy, Zebra 400, Tom, Queen 02. 120 volts, North America. Thanks for watching. Today is August 14, 20. Yeah.